So we did this whole symptom assessment for Lydia. One of the things we realized was that Lydia was underweight, which I had no idea. So we wanted to target like whole nutrition. So we wanted to target weight, and we wanted to target like increase bone mass, which I didn't even know you could do, and make bones stronger. We wanted to target inflammation. So all of these things. So she started using a soy protein. Can you even see that? The glare from the sun is like there. Soy protein. Okay, so she uses a soy protein every day. We started on the osteo matrix a month ago. We didn't use this the first month, but this is for bone health, strong bones, bone mass, all of that. So this is one we've been doing for a month. Alfalfa, for real, alfalfa. She's been taking 14.
I started out with 14 and now I take 10.
For the first month, she took 14 of these a day, and now she's down to 10. So we've been doing this for 2 months. Alfalfa, and then a women's multivitamin, which is an actual, like, real multivitamin. I learned a lot about my cheap Walmart multivitamins in this whole process. So anyway, 2 months on those 3 things, and then just 1 month on the osteo matrix. Okay, so in the first month, what she noticed was that the waves of pain that she was getting were, like, gone. Like, all of a sudden, she's like, Mom, I'm not getting those waves of pain anymore. I'm like, oh my gosh, okay, that's actually, like, marked improvement. That's something that we can look at and say, wow, that's a big change. Just this week, she came to me, and she had still been having Achilles pain every morning. She'd get up, get out of bed, and her Achilles would hurt. This week, she came to me and said, Mom, I just noticed that my Achilles don't hurt anymore in the morning. She's like, I don't know when that happened, but I just noticed it's been a while. I'm like,
I mean,
oh my gosh.
It still hurts to press on them, but it's probably going to be like that for a while.
So those are 2 things, 2 big things that have changed for her, and it's only been 2 months. And I think after 3 years of chronic pain, to have 2 very noticeable changes like that in just 2 months is a really big deal. So it's the waves of pain are gone, and the Achilles pain in the morning is gone. So little by little, and she's gained like 10 pounds. So she, which is good on this soy protein and the multivitamins, and I mean, just her body is soaking up all of the nutrition and everything in the supplements, and the food that she eats, like the supplements are also helping her body just soak up everything, all the good things, and yeah, it's been really exciting. So that's her story with the supplements. Jared and I are using them. Our son that we realized had a lot of gut issues is using them. We've seen a lot of good things there, but that's Lydia's thing.